Mavic Air. Mounting the propeller guards. Before mounting the propeller guards, ensure that the aircraft's arms and front landing gears are unfolded. Open the buckle on the propeller guard. Connect the propeller guard with an LF mark to the propeller guard with an LR mark. When mounting the propeller guard, note that there is a slot on the propeller guard as shown, which is used for passing the guard through the front arm's landing gear. Mount the propeller guard from the bottom of the front rear arm on the left side of the aircraft. Secure the buckle. Perform the same steps to mount the propeller guards with RF and RR marks. After the propeller guards are mounted, check whether they are mounted in place. It is recommended to make the aircraft hover in place for 6 seconds before each flight. A propeller guard or extra payload detected, flight performance will be affected, fly with caution prompt will be shown in DJI Go 4. Thank you for watching.